Hello and welcome to Nolan School of Motoring. In this video tutorial we will be looking at mini roundabouts. On the approach to our first mini roundabout we will be watching our speed. It's very important to keep your speed down on the approach. It gives you time to look to your right. We will be following the road ahead. Now we can see our traffic sign and also our road markings telling us to give way. We give way to traffic coming from our right. We can see it's clear and then just keep moving forward. We can see our next mini roundabout in the distance, again watching our speed on the approach. We will be following the road ahead. We can see the giveaway markings and we can also see the traffic sign. It's clear from our right and we just carry on. At our next mini roundabout we can see an advanced warning sign on the approach. This is telling you there's a roundabout ahead. We will be making a right turn at this roundabout. You can see the traffic sign on the approach. And also we see our road markings giving way to any traffic coming from the right. As you can see, it's a really tight roundabout. The driver here is struggling with their steering, getting too close to the pavement, and also their clearance from the vehicles parked up is too close. Make sure your pull-push technique with your steering wheel is up to speed. At this mini roundabout we will be following the road ahead. Here you can see the traffic sign, the giveaway lines, and also the road markings in the centre of the mini roundabout. Again, giving way to your right. At the next mini roundabout we will be making a right turn. Again, you can see your traffic sign to the left telling you there's a mini roundabout. It's an extremely tight mini roundabout. The driver goes too fast, gets too close to the pavement, and then struggles to maintain control. Keep up the speed with your pull-push steering technique throughout your training. At the next mini roundabout we will be following the road ahead. This is the perfect example of how to approach and exit a mini roundabout. Don't go over the centre road markings at mini roundabouts if it's not necessary. At the next mini roundabout we will be making a right turn. As you can see, with the speed down, the driver gets plenty of time to risk assess traffic from the right. Going round the roundabout, avoiding the centre part of it, taking their time and exiting the mini roundabout. We will be going straight ahead at this mini roundabout. You can see the HGV is going straight ahead. Try not to go over the road markings on mini roundabouts when it's avoidable. And at this mini roundabout we will be going left. I hope you have enjoyed this video and please subscribe for more videos.